Welcome to my YouTube channel Astha School Shivahar.
Good morning children, this is our second day of chapter 4. In your previous chapter and previous class we read about what is addition, how we add 2 digits or more than 2 digits or 3 digits. In this class and in this chapter we have to read about some properties of addition. Here is some properties of addition. Mostly there are 3 properties of addition. First property called commutative property of addition. In this property, 2 numbers when added in any order always give the same result. When we add 2 numbers in any order, the result will be same always. Here is 2 digits, 2 numbers 1124 and 2344. When we add it, we get 4 plus 4 8, 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 1 4 and 2 plus 1 3. When we add these 2 numbers, we get 3468. But when we write it in this way, 2344 plus 1124, we get the same sum or same addition of these 2 numbers. 4 plus 4 8, 4 plus 2 equal to 6, 3 plus 1 equal to 4 or 1 plus 2 equal to 3. The addition of these 2 numbers are equal. So when we add 2 numbers in any order always give the same result. This is our commutative property of addition. And our second property of addition is associative property of addition. In this property, when 3 or more numbers are added, the result is always same. When we add 3 or more numbers, the result will be always same, whatever be the grouping of addends. चाहे नंबर का ग्रुप जो भी हो, उसका जो सम आएगा हमेशा क्या होगा, सेम होगा. In the associative property of addition, here is 1134, 2315 and 2301. We will have to add it. 4 plus 5 we get 9, 3 plus 1 4, this 3 plus 1 4 and 2 plus 1 we get 3 plus 2311, 9 plus 1 we get 10, 0 carry 1, 1 plus 4 5 carry 1 6, 3 plus 4 we get 7 and 3 plus 2 we get 5. This is the sum of these 2 and these 3 addends, and when we add it in this way, 2311 plus 1304, 1134 plus 2315, we get the same result. 1 plus 4 equal to 5, 3 plus 1 equal to 4, 1 plus 3 equal to 4, 2 plus 1 equal to 3 plus 2315. 5 plus 5 we get 10, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, carry 1 6, 4 plus 3 equal to 7 and 3 plus 2 equal to 5. The result will be always same. In associative property, there is no matter what is the grouping of these addends. So in associative property, when 3 or more numbers are added, the result is always same, whatever be the grouping of addends. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि ये नंबर यहाँ लिखा है या फिर ये नंबर यहाँ लिखा है, ये फर्स्ट में और ये लास्ट में है, रिजल्ट हमेशा क्या होगा, सेम होगा. इन कम्युनिटी प्रॉपर्टी ये नंबर यहाँ हो या फिर ये नंबर यहाँ हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, रिजल्ट हमेशा क्या होता है, सेम होता है. इन कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एडिशन एंड इन एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एडिशन. And your third property of addition, and this is our third property of addition, additive property of 0. When 0 is added to any number, then we get that number as their sum. जब किसी भी नंबर में हम 0 को ऐड करते हैं तो वो नंबर खुद उसका सम होता है. When we add 0 in any number, the number will be their sum. There is 532. When we add 0 in it, we get 532. When we add 0 in any number, we get the number as their sum. Here is the number ones, tens, hundred and thousand. 9. When we add 9 to 0, we get 9, 1, 6 and 2. When 0 is added to any number, that number will be their sum. And this is your exercise 4C on the basis of properties of addition. You have to fill in the blanks on the basis of properties of addition. There is your type 1 question on the basis of properties of addition. Fill in the blanks. Here is 1509, 2819 equal to dash plus 1509. With the help of commutative properties of addition, we have to fill these blanks. Here is 1509. Here is 1509. This is the number that we write here. And second question, 2197 plus 1785 in the blanks equal to 2197 plus 1785 plus 8821. With the help of associative property of addition, we have to fill these blanks. Here is 2197. Here is 2197. Here is 1785. Here is 1785. And this number is written here. This is your exercise 4C. You have to fill on the blanks, all the blanks on the basis of properties of addition. This is your last exercise of your chapter 4, exercise 4D. In this chapter, there are some brainstorming questions of addition. Here is type 1 question. A factory produces 2,259, 6,208 and 887 computers in 3 consecutive days. Find the total number of computers produced in these 3 days. यानी एक फैक्ट्री इतना सारे कंप्यूटर को कंटिन्यू क्या करता है, प्रोड्यूस करता है, तो टोटल कितना कंप्यूटर उसने प्रोड्यूस कर चुका है इन 3 दिनों में. So we have to find the total number of computers that produced in 3 days. So you have to add it to find out the total number of computers that produced in these 3 days. First of all, we have to write these numbers in a series. To add it, ones, tens, hundred, and then after thousand. 6,208, 2,259, and 887. These are the number of computers that produces in 3 days. We have to add it to find the total number of computers. 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 4 is here and 2 will be our carry. 24, 4 is our ones and 2 is our tens. Ones is always written here and tens will be our carry. 2 plus 5 we get 7, 7 plus 5, 15, carry 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 5 plus 8, we get 30, carry 1, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2 equal to 9. This is the total number of computers that produced in these 3 days. This is your answer 9,354 is the number of computers that produced in these 3 days. And your next type question, a school planted 2,019 trees in 2002, 3,500 trees in 2003 and 2,279 trees in 2004. How many trees were planted in 3 years in all? एक स्कूल 2002 में 2019 ट्रीज को प्लांट करता है. इन 2003 3500 ट्रीज प्लांटेड होता है और इन 2004 2279 ट्रीज को प्लांटेड किया जाता है. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स कितना हो जाएगा? दैट प्लांटेड इन 3 years. Then in 2002 number of trees is equal to 2019 and in 2003 number of trees are 2279 and in 2004 number of trees that are planted is Sorry, in 2003 number of trees equal to 3500 and in 2004 number of trees equal to 2279. Now you have to find the total number of trees, so we have to add it. 9 plus 9 equal to 18, carry 1. 112 plus 7 equal to 9. 5 plus 2 equal to 7 and 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5798 is the number of trees that planted in 3 years also. This is exercise 40 brainstorming questions with addition.
Thanks for watching this video.